Welcome. In this video we are going to see how you can use a SQL repository with the help of Redbird. So what we have to do is to pip install SQL Alchemy for this to work. And after that we should be able to write the following code. From SQL Alchemy we would like to import the create engine, and from Redbird.repos we have to import the SQL repo. Now we create our engine, which takes the create engine, and we use SQLite. And after that we create the SQL repo, and we say that the engine is the engine we created, and the table is going to be my table. And then what we would like to do is to manipulate the data. That was one way of creating it. Let's create another one. So SQLing2.py, and here the difference is that we are going to create a session. So from SQL Alchemy.orm we would like to import the session. And after the engine was created, we create our session from the session with the engine, and the rest is the same. It is really heavily dependent on your situation as to how you would like to approach this. And what's nice about this is that we can use the SQLing3.py, the ORM model. So we could define our tables as classes and use it with this. So from SQL Alchemy we import from the ORM we import the declarative base, and our base is going to be the declarative base, and we will have a class called car. It will use the base, and here we will have the table name _, and we will call this my table, and we will have a color which comes from the column string and primary key equals to true. So from SQL Alchemy that attributes import string. So no, this is not the one. SQL Alchemy column. So let's go there. From SQL Alchemy import column, and SQL Alchemy data type string import. Maybe we can import the string. Yeah, we can import the string as well. So this is one, and if we go back we can continue. So we have a color, we have a car type, which is going to be a column, and we can say that this is a string, and we have the mili-age, which is a column, and an integer. So integer. And once this is done, we should be able to import from SQL Alchemy the create engine, but we can move it here. And from Redbird.repos we import the SQL repo. And here we create our engine with the create engine SQLite, and we create our repo from the SQL repo with the engine equals engine, and the model ORM equals to car. Alright, so this is how you can use it with that one. And if you want, you can also say that you want to reflect on the pydantic model. So reflect model equals true. This is going to enable the data verification, or you could define them separately. So technically this is how you can use SQL with Redbird. See you in the next one.